really cool. I'm loving it. I have my Mary Janes, have some gold earrings. I actually have a bracelet that I forgot to put on. Belt, wide leg jeans. That's the look for today. Okay, so it is almost the end of the day. I decided to just come to the bathroom and quickly talk to you guys. So we've had a full day of lectures. I'm in the bathroom right now during the break. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm talking to you guys. Hi!
You get these random targeted ads right from companies and wonder, is it
So my name's Kina, fashion journalism content creation student. It's now the end of the day. My lectures have actually finished. I had a full day of lectures from 9:30 to 4:30, but what I like to do is on days that I'm actually in uni, I'll stay in uni for the entire day. So right now I'm just continuing my studies. I have to do quite a few assignments due for 2 months. We just got briefed last week, so we're having 2 units run at the same time: fashion content creation and fashion media law and ethics. So those are 2 different units running alongside each other. They each have two assignments each. So right now I'm just working on the task that we have set for tomorrow. We each have like individual roles. So my role for the group is to be social media manager. Obviously I love social media, so I'm going to be managing the social media content that we're doing for this project. And for the other assignment, I have the fashion, what I keep forgetting is media law and ethics. That one I'm really excited about. So we're going to be putting articles out every week on the take 2. We're going to be putting articles out every week, not me all the time, but I have one article that's going to be due on Thursday for Shift London. That's LCF's fashion journalism blog page, which is really exciting to have some work published. And then I also have to have a news feature. I think that one's in 3 weeks, and in 2 weeks I have to do a broadcast, which I'm really excited about because, as you know, I love social media. Anyways, I'm in the canteen right now. This is literally my favorite place to sit, like these booths, to do work. And yeah, I'm just getting some work done, so see when I'm done. So just to show you guys, this is the website Shift, LCF's fashion journalism course website, and students on the fashion journalism course like me will have the chance to upload our work onto here. So go check that out. My work will be there on Thursday, I think it was, if I'm correct. But yeah, that's exciting. I'm currently writing my plan right now, so I'm actually going to tell myself to stay here till 7 p.m, not too late today. Sometimes I stay here until 9 p.m. just doing work. But yeah, this is me. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair, but hi. I sometimes look like a crazy person because people can hear someone like talking in these booths. I'm talking to myself, but I'm talking to you guys. I don't know, I'm shy. First YouTube video, maybe be reacting to this in like a couple of years and be like, oh, she was such a little baby. She was a fairy. I need to stop. Okay, so I'm currently waiting on a few quotes for my article. I'm not going to up article without having the quotes, just because those are times after you interview people you find that your story actually changes. So I'm not going to start it. I'm just have a plan, a few ideas of how I want it to go. I sent out a few questions to people so I can get some quotes back to students, to industry professionals, well-being officers. So that would be interesting when it finally comes back. And we're back. What was I saying? That threw me off. Yes, so I decided for the rest of my time, I have an hour and 15 minutes left. I'm just going to map out like a schedule of my time up until the deadline of everything I have to do, just because there is a lot, and sometimes when it's just all in your head, just bouncing around, I'm such a big to-do list person. So I'm just going to make a to-do list, write down everything that I have to do, everything that has to get done, and then slot it into schedules, deadlines, and make myself internal deadlines for each task, just to make sure everything gets done and I'm not stressed at the last minute trying to figure it out. And I'm also going to be including the release date of Bridgerton in that schedule, because I do not want to tell myself I can't watch it because I don't feel like I've done enough work. So scheduling in my free time. Guys, the time is now 6:55. I am feeling way more confident now that I have written down my whole to-do list. I know exactly what I need to do. I'm going to show you guys my to-do list. So what I usually do, I always do this checklist. I've been using this type of checklist layout since sixth form, and it has helped me got my 3 A's in A-level, and it has helped me with all the assignments I've done in my first and second year. Ooh, did you hear that crack? I can't do it again. But anyways, it's helped me with all the assignments that I've done so far. It's really helped me like organize myself. I'll just show you that now as we end off my day. And here it is. So the first thing I did was I wrote down everything that I have to do for these next 2 assignments. So this is the first assignment, second assignment. As you can see, 2 elements for each. So I wrote every single thing I have to do, that I have to submit for those essays. And then here is the checklist that will help me hopefully get my A. So I did the topic. So first topic, 700 words feature. Second topic was the broadcast. Third topic is a news story, and then we have the essay. So this feature is due this week, so that's why I prioritize that. I can do these ones later. They're due in 2 and 4 weeks, and this one is due on the 30th of May. So I have a bit of time to get those done, but I just want to finish this one off because it is Monday and this is due on Thursday, so I'll just prioritizing this one first. So I did everything in color coordination, obviously. So I just did like this as a color to just band it off and make it in sections. So what I do is I write the topic and then the action. So the action I have to do, for example, send out the questionnaires, get emails from people, just organize all of this. Then what I do is I write extra notes, extra things I have to do from these actions, and then the due dates are next to it. So these ones that I've highlighted in red is what I need to have done by today. So that's why this part is in red. That's the urgency, it needs to be done today. Green is what I've already done, so I did these last week. And orange is things that I have to do, haven't done yet, but it's not that pressing because the red is the priority. Once the red is done and turn green, then these oranges will turn red, and soon all this will be green because it will be done and submitted. So yeah, that's just the format that I go through. You can use this if you want. I'll just pause here if you guys want to screenshot that. But yeah, it's starting to all look good right now. I'm really excited. It's a lot, but now it seems manageable. I broke it down into chunks, everything I need to do. We're going to get this essay done and we're going to submit together and we're going to have so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. This was my first YouTube video. I'm an LCF, it's London College of Fashion student, currently in my second year studying fashion journalism and content creation. I'm in my second year, so I only have 2 months and a year left. I'm a bit late starting on this YouTube thing, but we're here now and I'll be posting videos as often as I can. I'm not going to say any day, I'm not sure what day yet. I'll try and be as awesome if I can. But if you don't see a YouTube video, go check out my TikTok. I'm always constant on there, loads of videos on my TikTok and my Instagram. Go follow, all at it's Moi Sakina with underscores in between. So it's underscore Moi underscore Sakina. I feel like I'm doing that Disney channels like bye.